You just got your car back on the road after fixing an exhaust leak, but your check engine light pops back on, leaving you incredibly frustrated, even though the car seems to be driving perfectly fine. If you pull a code P2034, your powertrain control module has detected a low circuit voltage in the exhaust gas temperature sensor, specifically located on bank 2, sensor 2. While you might not feel a misfire or hesitation, ignoring this specific code is a terrible idea because it puts your extremely expensive catalytic converter at serious risk. This sensor is basically a heavy-duty, heat-resistant thermometer threaded directly into the exhaust pipe just before the catalytic converter. On modern diesel engines, it is also absolutely vital for timing the regeneration cycles of the diesel particulate filter. The engine computer sends a steady 5-volt reference signal down to this sensor, and as the scorching exhaust gases heat it up, its internal electrical resistance drops, sending more voltage back to the computer. When the computer sees the circuit voltage suddenly drop off a cliff, it assumes the circuit is broken or shorted directly to ground, leaving the catalytic converter completely blind to melting down from excessive heat. Bank 2 simply identifies the side of the engine opposite of cylinder number 1. Because this sensor lives underneath the car, the wiring takes an absolute beating from road debris, extreme heat cycles, and freezing weather. Safely raise the vehicle and inspect the wiring pigtail going to that specific sensor. It is very common to find the wire insulation completely melted away, causing the bare wires to touch the metal exhaust pipe and short out. If the external wiring is pristine, unplug the connector and grab your digital volt ohm meter. Measure the internal resistance across the 2 sensor pins. A healthy sensor usually reads around 150 ohms at room temperature. If your meter shows less than 50 ohms or shows infinite resistance, that sensor has failed internally and you simply need to thread in a replacement to protect your emission system.